Hey guys, so today I'm making a vision board slash collage to put on my bathroom wall. I was feeling kind of down one day and decided I wanted to have quotes somewhere to look at more regularly. At first I was thinking I could put them around my bathroom mirror like some people do, like write out quotes on sticky notes. But then I was thinking about some TikToks that I had seen of these beautiful wall collages that have like color themes and stuff. So I was thinking to combine that with a vision board, so it can be inspirational and pretty. So to do this, I first went on Pinterest and found images of the kind of lifestyle that I want, as well as Bible verses, quotes, positive affirmations, manifestation statements, workout inspo, career-related images, and just aesthetic pictures in general. Some of them are travel, some of them are about filmmaking, some of them are just like boho rooms, because that's the kind of aesthetic that I'm going for now. Just plants everywhere. But anyway, they're all like neutral colors, and I'm laying them out on poster board, just arranging them how I want. I started out by just alternating images and quotes so they'd be spread out. I laid them out kind of randomly at first, and here I'm just rearranging them to spread the colors out a little more so there aren't like clumps of like tan in just one side of the collage, and just making it look as good as I can. Next, I'm just going to glue the pictures down with Mod Podge onto the poster board, and I'm applying it with a brush so there aren't any lumps or glue oozing out of the sides. The only thing I didn't think about was the orientation of the pictures. Some of them are vertical and some of them are horizontal. So I ended up putting horizontal pictures on one poster and vertical on another. And the horizontal ones end up being a little shorter than the vertical ones, but I'll show you how I space that out later so it stays even. I really liked this idea because I think it's important to include positive things in our everyday. So often we focus on the negative things and kind of just flow through life, but I'm hoping this wall will be a nice pick-me-up throughout the day or when I get ready in the morning, but also to inspire me to live my day to the fullest and look at the things that I want to achieve and remind myself to stick to my goals. Even as I was reading these quotes on Pinterest to find these images, I felt so inspired and grateful and just like not sad anymore. There's so much power in words. I measured my wall. It's about 36 inches along the top and 90 inches down the side, so I got 12 by 18 inch poster board so that it fit perfectly across. And it also fits the 4x6 pictures really well too. Then I'm just trimming the excess off of the posters, and they still should be roughly the same size after doing this, so they'll still line up on the wall. Now I'm just laying out each poster and putting my favorite boards in the middle row since I'll see them the most, and kind of arrange the rest just how I like. I had a total of 3 poster boards that were just horizontal pictures, and since they're a little shorter than the other ones, I put one in each column so that it would end up even, if that makes sense. Next, I hung up the posters with command strips. I did this because I didn't want to ruin the pictures with command strips if I ever want to take this down and reuse it somewhere else, like if I have to move again since I am in an apartment. It's also just easier than hanging up each individual picture. This DIY is making me want to change my entire aesthetic, so subscribe if you want to see me completely remodel my room and maybe put some more decor up in my bathroom. You can also include your own pictures in this collage. I chose not to, but this is super customizable, so do with it what you want. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It honestly makes my bathroom so much more fun, and now I'll have something to read while I'm on the toilet, so there's that. There's still some space on the wall, so I'm going to order some more pictures to fill it up. I also thrifted this vase and painted it with paint and baking soda to make it look ceramic, and I plan to put like dried compass flowers in there. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Have a great day and stay positive. Bye!